Every day I practiced chords, progressions, muscle memory. Prince Charles, Bruce Lee, they both did the same thing. They practiced every day. When I came back, I was different. Rebranded, reinvented. I didn't come back as an engineer. I came back as a producer. I played the beat. They started writing immediately. 4 artists, 1 beat, 2 hours.
A rifleman, a bust the one we make Pakistan. You know, I me say wanna strength mean me and me wanna done. Big up, big East, Gully Bank and Russia, yeah. And make me tell you this, you will never see the ways of a girl in a man.
So don't you play with bad man. Stay with me. Book it and kill my free. So don't you play with me.
Some member have vex them, vex human other than them. Them know me as spooky, but me real name a shame. So if you want a war pussy, bring it down then. We bad from long time, go and go ask pride at them. Bad from the road right up to the stem. Say another load,
That's when I heard it.
Some boy lame
They
you
called
them
it
now said no trend. I wanna strength this down, no fear who a pen. No play with bad man.
And that's when I knew I could do this anywhere.
Tell mama don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Tell mama don't worry, things soon be alright. When me bingo and you a get alright. Don't worry, even though I'm feed up, I gotta keep my head up. I'll never give up. Tell mama don't worry.